So if you're having problems with the Logitech G HUB here and it's not detecting any devices, well, there are a few things that you may want to do here. Now, first things first is you may want to restart G HUB and reconnect your device. Now, you want to start with the simplest fix here, close G HUB completely. And also unplug your Logitech devices while you're doing so, and just wait for a few seconds. Now, typically when I say restarting Logitech G HUB, it's not just closing the X button here at the top right, because if you're not aware yet, it's still active in the background. As you can see here now, it's still active there. So go and just press Control Shift Escape on your keyboard, or you could go and just go to the search bar here, type in Task Manager. And once you've opened Task Manager, scroll down a bit here, look for G HUB, right click on it, and click on End Task. Now, once you've ended all the tasks related for G HUB, you can go and just reconnect your device, plug it back in, open up G HUB again, and see if that actually helped. Now, in some cases, that would actually help, but if not, there are still other things that you may want to do. So, second thing that you may want to do here is you may want to try a different USB port. Now, some devices may require you to use a USB 3.0 or USB 2.0 port directly on your PC. So also, if you're using a hub, you may want to plug your devices directly to your PC or your laptop and see if that helps. Now, if you really need a hub, maybe use a different one, see if that works. In some cases, the hub might be the problem. So actually, if I'm using like hubs on my Logitech devices, I would often my device would often actually get disconnected. So that's another thing that you may want to take in mind here. So switch over to a different port, USB port, and see if that helps. Now, if that doesn't help, the next thing that you want to do is you may want to restart your PC. Now, sometimes a good restart is the only thing that you need to do here. So just restart your PC and see if that helps. Now, also, you may want to basically run Logitech G HUB in admin, or it has like administration privileges. So typically, you just need to look for Logitech G HUB here, search for it, right click on it, choose the option as run as administrator, and see if that helps. So sometimes like it just requires like administration privileges in order for it to work properly. Now, if not, the final and last thing that you may want to do here is you may want to reinstall Logitech G HUB. Now, sometimes this is kind of weird. In some cases, reinstalling Logitech G HUB can help a lot. So just go to search bar here, just type in Logitech G HUB, and once you have this, not look, don't look for Logitech G HUB. Just type in uninstall, look for add or remove programs, and in here, this is where you search for Logitech G HUB. Type in Logitech, click on the three dot option here, click on uninstall, click on uninstall. Wait for a while here. It will require you to answer a few things. Now, I would highly recommend you to disable the save my current settings here if you don't want to save your settings and restart from scratch. Once you've done that, go and click on uninstall. Wait for a while here and see if that actually helps. Now, once you've done that, reinstall it again like you did before and see if that actually helps. Now, this is just a bonus thing if you don't want to uninstall the app as a whole. You can actually go to your settings at the top right here, go to updates, click on check for updates, and see if you currently have the release version. Sometimes they would release like fixes on the hub itself, so that problems with like software problems for like devices, wireless devices would be fixed. But that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.